What is a Flexitank? Container Flexitank is a new type of liquid transportation method, which has the characteristics of large loading capacity, low transportation cost, simple loading and unloading, and has more advantages than tank truck transportation and barrel transportation. Container Flexitank can convert a 20-foot standard container into a transportation container capable of carrying 24,000 liters of bulk liquid, and can also be customized according to other transportation needs. Development of container Flexitanks. In 2007, with the maturity of large-scale seamless film blowing equipment and multi-layer co-extruded barrier film technologies, the manufacturing technology of multi-layer polyethylene PE plus PP Flexitanks achieved a major breakthrough. This new type of disposable container Flexitank is made of 3 or 4 layers of 0.125 mm thick polyethylene material, with an outer layer of polypropylene woven material. The manufacturing process of this combined material enables the container Flexitank to achieve a qualitative leap in many aspects such as moisture and oxygen barrier, corrosion resistance, and impact resistance. More importantly, all materials of this Flexitank can be recycled and reused, thus meeting the requirements of circular development in terms of environmental protection. Also in 2007, my country ushered in the first batch of Flexitank production and sales companies. This important milestone marked China's significant progress in the field of Flexitank manufacturing. It is estimated that the number of Flexitanks transported globally in 2023 will exceed 1.5 million, with the continued advancement of technology and further growth in market demand. Flexitanks will continue to play a key role in global logistics and supply chain management. Scope of application. Container Flexitanks have different types of Flexitanks according to their different transport categories. For example, food-grade Flexitanks that are specially used to transport food liquids can transport the following categories: wine, edible oil, vinegar, various concentrated fruit juices, food additives, sorbitol, palm oil, soy sauce, rice wine, mineral water, wheat extract, various syrups, etc. Grease Flexitanks that are specially used to transport industrial oils can transport the following categories: base oil, lubricant additives, transformer oil, white oil, tung oil, glycerin, coconut oil, hydraulic oil, industrial gear oil, castor oil, high oil fatty acids, etc. Non-hazardous liquid chemical Flexitanks that are specially used to transport non-hazardous liquid chemicals can transport the following categories: plasticizers, synthetic resins, detergents, disinfectants, surfactants, polyols, feed additives, silicates, saline solutions, printing oils, propylene glycol, ethylene glycol, polyethers, alkylating agents, herbicides, fertilizers, natural latex, synthetic latex, etc. There are also railway Flexitanks, highway Flexitanks, high-temperature Flexitanks, and other types. Advantages of container Flexitanks. First, as a disposable transport container, container Flexitanks can be discarded after transportation is completed. No additional space is required for storage, and no extra overdue fees and cleaning fees are required, which reduces transportation costs. In addition, since container Flexitanks are disposable, they can effectively ensure the purity and hygiene of products during transportation, fundamentally eliminating the possibility of product mixing and contamination, and ensuring that products are delivered to customers safely and hygienically. Secondly, container Flexitanks can maximize the use of space in the container, which allows Flexitank transportation to load more goods than traditional transportation methods. Taking a 20-foot standard container as an example, Flexitank transportation can load 50% more goods than barrel transportation, and the transportation cost is only 1/5 of barrel transportation. In addition, container Flexitanks are easy to install and do not require the assistance of large-scale equipment. Only 2 to 3 people are needed to complete the installation, greatly reducing labor costs. Container Flexitanks can also be customized according to different container sizes to meet the transportation requirements of customers, such as 40-foot Flexitanks used in 40-foot containers, as well as vehicle-mounted Flexitanks, railway flexitanks, etc. They can also be installed with bulkheads and heating pads according to the local climate environment. They can withstand high temperatures of up to 120 degrees, which is very suitable for liquids with temperature requirements. They can maintain the temperature of these special liquids. This is something that traditional transportation methods cannot do. In terms of safety, container flexitanks are mostly 3 layers of PE, plus 1 layer of PP, and can also be added as 4 layers of PE, plus 1 layer of PP. They have excellent rubbing resistance. As long as they are laid and transported according to normal procedures, they can completely achieve zero accident rate. Expert in safe liquid transportation, Qingdao Light Flexitanks. Qingdao Light Flexitanks was officially established in 2008 and has been producing OEM products for many domestic and foreign Flexitank brands. By 2011, Qingdao Light Flexitanks had created its own brand and built a service network. In the same year, it passed the SGS ISO 9001 Quality System certification. From 2013 to 2014, Qingdao Light Flexitanks Co. Limited began to equip warehouses and distribution outlets across the country, laid out a global service network, and obtained CRCC certification. In 2015, it obtained railway transportation licenses from domestic and foreign shipping companies and the Ministry of Railways of China, and independently developed some product accessories. In 2017, it obtained COA certification, passed the CRCC railway test, and obtained Russian railway certification. It is the first Flexitank manufacturer in the industry to use a 100,000 food-grade clean production workshop. From 2019 to 2020, it passed the Halal certification, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System certification, and FSSC 22000 Food Safety System certification, and established its own scientific research team with more than 100 scientific research patents. In the following 2 years, it has successively obtained the honorary qualifications of high-tech enterprises and specialized and new enterprises, passed COA review certification and impact test certification, participated in the formulation of GB T41347 2022 test method for rub resistance of flexible packaging materials, national standard released and implemented in Beijing. This year, Qingdao Light Flexitanks once again passed COA certification and FSSC 22000 certification, built a global leading full industry chain logistics packaging production base, built and improved upstream and downstream service outlets, and cooperated with well-known domestic colleges and universities to establish a special laboratory for container Flexitank materials. In the future, Qingdao Light Flexitanks will continue to uphold the concept of quality first and technological leadership, continue to forge ahead, and strive to contribute more to the development of the bulk fluid packaging and transportation industry.